agree. Online learning gives students more autonomy, but it also demands strong academic discipline.
That's true. And without a structured environment, learning distraction can easily reduce focus.
On the other hand, face-to-face learning offers stronger social interaction.
Yes, direct interaction usually increases cognitive engagement and learning retention.
So, in terms of instructional effectiveness, the best approach depends on students' need and context.